Hello guys, I'm Chu. Today I will show you how to calculate the area and the perimeter with South N6 total station. With this function, irregular plant can be measured, as well as the perimeter of the farmland areas. It can be applied in various fields. In this video, I will introduce the principle and the operation of the calculate the perimeter and area. Through the actual measurement for vertex, area is used for area and perimeter calculation for polygons. The measurement of vertex should be based on the order of point 1, point 2, point 3 in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. This function is used to calculate the areas connected by straight. The target point has to be measured in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. The calculated area is projected onto the horizontal plane and always close to the start point P1. Now, let's press Menu, Programs, choose Area. Aim at the first target P1, triggering the measurement by Mass or ADM trigger key. Then repeat the measurement in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. The calculated area and groups displayed. Press Unite to change the unit of area among square meter, hectare, square foot, and square acre. In the next episode, I will continue to share the unique feature of N6. See you then.